I got sent out this bed frame for review, and so far I am liking it a lot. It is a queen size bed frame, and I am using a big mattress here, as you can see. And this bed frame, because it is made from metal, it is pretty sturdy. And what I love the most is that there were no missing parts, and the instructions were pretty straightforward. However, you may need help from a second person, and it takes a while to put it together. Like in my case, we actually took around an hour and a half to put it together, and we were two people. Okay, you need abilities or skills with the tools, and it is like a medium level of difficulty, I will say, to put it together. Regarding the weight, I can tell you for sure that it will hold two people with normal weight. It is very resistant, and you will be feeling secure with it. Okay, on the bed legs, there it has some plastics to protect your floor or your wood floor. In my opinion, it is a very good bed frame, very resistant. I find it of very good quality. Just it takes a little bit to put it together, but it is really sturdy and good.